What a busy morning, man. What a busy morning, man. And see the police standing with the fire brigade. See people. How you feel when you go out in the morning and you want to take the train, but all you see is someone has jumped on the train line and died, and you can't even proceed your journey. Oh God. When you hear this type of news or you see this type of things, you feel like, oh my God, what the hell is this? How can somebody just think like you gotta go jump into the mouth of the train and you disrupt the journey of other people? Oh man, you know that this have to stop in Japan, and we hate this. We hate it. We hate it so much. We hate it. Yo, people are stuck. Because of one person now, people are stuck. You know? Even me, I'm talking here, man. I'm supposed to be in the place I'm going the past 1 hour. I'm still stuck here for 1 hour, man. Does it make any sense? Doesn't make sense, man. Doesn't make no sense. Let this nonsense stop. Let it stop.